welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to discuss about the battery backup details and screen on time details comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to compare these both phones side by side. Which phone has got really very good battery backup? That's what my main point of comparing these both phones side by side. And let's get started, friends. First thing is that you should know about the properties of the both phones. Which phone has got what type of battery mAh? 4400 mAh of battery capacity on the iQOO 7 side and 5000 mAh of battery capacity on the Realme GT Neo 2. So definitely, friends, this 5000 mAh of battery capacity will help a lot in terms of having the more screen on time than the iQOO 7 device. So in my testing, the iQOO 7 I'm trying to use for the past, I think, close to 5 months of usage with this phone, and I can definitely say that average the screen on time in this phone I used to get about close to 6 hours. 6 hours used to be like my average. I can definitely say that it doesn't matter what task you do, 6 hours can be easily possible on this iQOO 7 device. So this is my new phone. The Realme GT Neo 2 is my new phone, and I did receive only one software update. So usually what happens is that after the couple of software updates, the performance and the battery, these two things will definitely impact a lot. So not forget about the camera and everything. These two things are main things, performance and the battery. With the software updates, always they'll change sometimes. So in my experience with the iQOO 7 device, the performance did not change anything, but battery life little bit got decreased after the software updates. So before maybe I can guarantee 6.5 hours, but after using and after a couple of updates, 6 hours basic I can definitely guarantee in this iQOO 7 device regarding the screen on time and everything. So this usage includes slightly kind of medium kind of usage. With the heavy usage, 6 hours. Medium usage, 6.5 hours, and normal usage maybe close to 7 hours of screen on time. But this Realme GT Neo 2, I'm getting about close to, you will be really shocked to listen that it's kind of close to 8 hours of screen on time in this device. Yes, I'm getting anywhere between 7 to 8 hours of screen on time in this Realme GT Neo 2. That's because of having 600 mAh of more battery than the iQOO 7 device in the same weight form factor. That's another thing I thought of mentioning. It's really incredible to have this kind of huge battery and huge screen on time as well. You can even see right now 80% and 2 hours 15 minutes I got the screen on time. So I did use, if you watch my videos, you'll definitely understand how much intense kind of testings I'm trying to do on the Realme GT Neo 2. You'll be definitely able to check my playlist if you want more details. But in my intense kind of testing also, the phone was able to survive up to 7 hours of Battlegrounds mobile game with 80% of brightness. With only 80%, I mean not only, with the 80% brightness. So 7 hours. So very soon I'm going to do the battery draining test using 50% as well. So stay tuned for those videos. Very soon I'll try to plan it. So battery backup is incredibly good at this moment. I'm saying again, I cannot guarantee this thing after a couple of months, but at least it's kind of slightly better than the iQOO 7 device. That's the one thing which I can definitely say that in the battery segment. So as I said, the software updates are very, very dangerous sometimes because they will try to decrease the battery life sometimes and they'll try to impact the performance. So which I can definitely, no one can guarantee that what happens next. But at this moment, in the first initial 10 to 11 days of usage with this phone, this is my expectations and this is my guess what I got in this phone. And the screen on time, you can see 7 hours of screen on time with 22% of the battery. I can show you a couple of screenshots if you want regarding the screen on times and everything. So you'll be able to understand exactly what is happening with this device. This is another day with the 29% and 6 hours 12 minutes of screen on time which I got, and another day I think 38% and 4 hours 36 minutes, and you can take a look at the overall usage. 1 day 4 hours. In the ideal rain also will be there a little bit. So 19% of the battery and 6 hours and 41 minutes of the screen on time. So definitely, friends, this screen on time I can expect 7 hours, 6.5 hours to 7 hours of screen on time I can easily get in this Realme GT Neo 2 without any kind of problem overall. So in the battery backup and charging speed, I can totally accept this Realme GT Neo 2 is a winner. I'm trying to mention again and again, I cannot guarantee after a couple of updates. So that's the one thing you should definitely understand. But till now, 6 hours of screen on time and extra 1 hour, 45 minutes to extra 1 hour of screen on time you can actually get in the Realme GT Neo 2. So that is the minimum I'm trying to guess. It can be maximum difference can be there something else, but still it's really great to have this kind of 5000 mAh of battery with same equal weight as the iQOO 7 device, but more battery backup you can get in this device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Definitely I'll do my intense kind of testing on this device, so then we can actually understand. And anyway, we do need a couple of months to decide what is happening with this phone. As we got to know the iQOO 7 device, still even after 5 months, I can guarantee one thing did not change in this phone. Not one thing, I think two things: camera performance and the normal gameplay performance. These two things did not get impacted much in this phone. The battery maybe little bit got impacted. Connectivity, it goes, sometimes it kind of works pretty good, sometimes connectivity doesn't work properly, but performance always maintains equal level, full high always. The iQOO 7 device, doesn't matter whatever you do, it's always high. But this is the initial testing only. I need a couple of months to come into the conclusion, and then I can actually give the price of a true monster. So now the true monster is iQOO 7 device. As I said, even this has got a really good potential equal to the iQOO 7 device sometimes. That's one thing, but I just need a couple of months. So this is just only beginning, friends. I need to use it, only then I can come to the conclusion what is happening with this phone. But overall, the final winner is the battery backup and the charging speed. Realme GT Neo 2. This phone can actually charge, I think, close to 35 minutes of charging, 5000 mAh of battery, and this iQOO 7 also takes about 34 minutes. So pretty close in terms of the charging speeds as well, both phones. Even the iQOO 7, I will try to show you a couple of screen on times which are taken. If I can find some, let's see whether I can find any kind of screen on times or not. I think this is another screen on time which I have taken a couple of days back. You can see 2 hours of screen on time with the 51% of the battery left. As you can see, before the updates, I used to get about 2.5 hours and 2 hours 45 minutes as well, and 3 hours sometimes I used to get the screen on time. But suddenly after this updates, what happens is that the screen on time started to decrease, and this another time 2 hours 44 minutes and 50%. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't work good. As I said, the battery is not that consistent battery backup. So overall, the screen on time definitely 6 hours minimum. So this is another screen on time which is about 7 hours and 14 minutes of screen on time which I got. But this is, I think, 1 month back, before a couple of updates, which is around September 17th. You can see clearly the date as well, September 17th. So as I said, the battery backup slightly got decreased after the updates. So now I was unable to get that kind of 7 hours of screen on time. But overall, this is very decent for the 6 hours of screen on time. This is for the 7 hours of screen on time. That's what I can expect. And overnight draining results also, overnight test, I did do plenty of testing. And the Realme GT Neo 2 can actually drain up to 2 to 3%. Same way the iQOO 7 also can drain 2 to so overnight draining also, friends, not much happening. I can say definitely in these both phones. I did not see any kind of huge decrease in the draining. I mean, for some users, they did mention that their batteries are draining slightly higher. I mean, close to 5% and 10%. It's draining overnight. But in my units, I did not see any kind of problems till now. So that's, friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the battery backup and overall things which I thought of just explaining. Continuously battery runs mobile game 6 to 6.5 hours, 7 to 7.5 hours in this Realme GT Neo 2, even the gaming as well. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.